Why you wanna look at them?
Like, that's what I'm saying. But whatever. You know how sometimes you feel like you have to make eye contact with somebody because they're walking in the same direction?
I hate that.
That's what I'm saying.
I hate doing that.
Oh, like in a daily. Tú me entiendes, tú estás guiando y el carro se te está quedando mirando. Like, you're gonna see that shit. Hey. Let me see how it looks. Let me see how it looks.
Looks super nice.
You think so?
Yes.
Mama, so tell them where we go.
I might need to adjust, no sé, como settings, or I don't know.
Tell them where we going first.
Where are we going, girls?
They chose the place.
Papa, you were thinking of the same thing as us. So.
No, who said it first?
What do you mean? Who said it first? Well, I was thinking about it. Then Kami said she wanted to go to Denny's, and then you said you were thinking.
All right, let's see.
So we're gonna go to Denny's, and then after that we're gonna go to the park.
But everybody agree we're going to Denny's?
Kind of. Yes.
So what was your idea?
But the worst thing about leaving the house is that.
Escucha. The worst thing about leaving the house is?
That my dad made me leave my phone, and I was playing Roblox.
Because, Kami, you cannot play that without internet anyways.
That's what you
I
were
could just ask them for the Wi-Fi password.
Oh my God.
It's free. It has free Wi-Fi.
Yeah. Bebo, pon este cristal un poquito.
I miss my phone.
But the point is to spend time at Denny's. So if I can get the Wi-Fi password.
Can you put the?
You barely even.
My hair is getting in my face.
Oh, you better look.
Picture.
La bolsa de basura.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Oh my God. ¿Se cayeron?
No, you don't hear that. Psst, like
Oh
a bag.
my God, that's so crazy.
This is like.
This is an everyday thing.
This is like the 100 times we do this.
Fuck this. Lily, the people around us gonna look at us like fools.
Bebo.
No.
This is daily life.
Estos cabrones grabando, si mira que puerco, damn, like chill.
Bebo, he has como short loss memory. Bebo, be careful with the U-turn. And oh my God, I see the bag.
For real, I gotta move slow. Oh my God.
What are you gonna do with that?
Damn.
And we have
La voy a bajar, la voy a poner en el baúl, que no cabe.
a huge bag. Como veo, welcome to our life. I don't know if you can see probably the bag.
Oh, that's so funny.
Ay.
Mira la patrona, no se puede.
Ay, María.
These are learning experiences. No.
I'm sweating. Debo saberle. I think they're honking on us.
I don't think so. It's a car that's trying to cross over. That's funny, right?
In the back.
It is funny.
Can I show you in the back? When he's shy, he always looks at something. I want to take a picture.
I'm recording. This is Gordo. Gordo. Papi. Qué lindo, Big Daddy. Look at Big Daddy. Big Daddy, Daddy. Kami, sticking up the video too?
Dale, súbelo. No, Rafaela, sácalo. Gírate.
Again, Kimmy.
Oh my God, the pencil. Yeah,
Kimmy, okay, we get it.
yeah.
Kami, okay. We get it.
Wait, look, we all have a big name.
Na. Mama. Yeah, high five. Pon el dedito del pilo.
Besito.
Que me va a dar un dientazo.
Let's get out of here.
I'm a rabbit.